Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.6. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, boasting a gain of 9.23%. This results in an average return of 2.31% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well signal an early shift in the trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the roof of the current trend that has been broken, which is $8.74, a level that may present a second chance to capitalize. According to fan theory, $17.26 will be the next possible trend top level, which could serve as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 44.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -98.80% and -50.68%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 115.57%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 18.63% to 398.01% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.65 and $48.90. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Rigetti Computing Inc. The stock price of Rigetti Computing Inc. rose by 0.409% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025. It increased from $9.78 to $9.82. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.81%, with a low of $9.47 and a high of $10.02. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a gain of 21.99%. However, it is worth noting that trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, resulting in a total of 36 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $354,350,000. A decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price sits at 54.15%, or $11.60, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, symbol RGTI, is at the forefront of quantum technology, an area poised for explosive growth as it enhances data processing capabilities. Recently, prominent companies such as Amazon, IBM, Google, Intel, and Microsoft have significantly increased their investments in quantum advancements, supported by over $55 billion from global governments. This surge in interest highlights the potential for transformative applications in fields like machine learning, optimization, and cryptography. Despite this optimism, RGTI and other major players like D-Wave and IonQ have experienced notable stock declines recently, attributed to market reactions surrounding NVIDIA's Quantum Day event. This volatility in quantum computing stocks underscores the sector's sensitivity to external technological announcements and developments. However, analysts have given Rigetti a positive rating, pointing to its strong position in a $1 to $2 billion addressable market that is expected to grow to between $15 and $30 billion by the years 2030 to 2040. The company aims to achieve significant milestones, including a 36-qubit system by the second quarter of this year and a 108-qubit system by the end of the year. In the short term, RGTI may see fluctuating stock prices influenced by market sentiment and external tech updates. However, in the long term, the company's trajectory appears promising, potentially positioning it for substantial growth as quantum computing technology matures. Investors should consider the immediate risks alongside the considerable long-term potential of this innovative sector. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also gave RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum rated RGTI with a buy grade and an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham provided RGTI with a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley issued RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the short-term outlook. The stock of Rigetti Computing Incorporated currently presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at $9.86 and $10.19. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 21, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 29.76%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 45 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 109 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 109 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 102 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.95 and $8.93. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $8.95. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $8.93 and $8.51. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a level of volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 550 cents between its high and low, representing a 5.81% change. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.07%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can go through difficult phases, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates of -5 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $10.04. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $8.95. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, David Rivas executed an insider sell of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Kathy L. McCarthy executed an insider sell of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Jeffrey A. Bertelson executed an insider buy of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, David Rivas executed an insider buy of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, David Rivas executed an insider sell of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -7.908. In total, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good investment? Rigetti Computing Incorporated exhibits several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend. Thus, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we provide a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we predict that Rigetti Computing will open lower by 5 cents and begin trading at $9.77. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.